Well, hello. Welcome back to Rancho Buenavista, where we continue with the roof in the Patio Canario. Here I am with Sendo. He's going to be handing the tiles up to me, and I'm going to be placing them there, hopefully finish that off, that little bit that needs to be done. I'll show you. There we have the edge of the tiles. You can see that these ones have two, and these ones just have the one. They have the one that goes on top. We need to finish that row and then finish up until the end there. Not much to go, just about 2 or 3 rows to go. De para abajo eso. No, al revés, al revés. Es que esa que tienes ahí, esa está al revés.
La pongo boca abajo.
No, pero tiene que ir boca abajo. Entonces, no la pongas ahí, ponla aquí. Ponle este antiguo aquí, mira. No. Este aquí, ahí, mira. Este ahí, no, al revés. Está bien. Ahora el otro. No pasará. Okay, esa es la última. There's the last one going on. No. Boca abajo. That's it. Fat side down. Okay. That's the roof done. We've done the roof.
Me voy a montar el caballo.
So it's done. The roof is tiled all the way. Fantastic. Good job, Sando. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
We've woken this morning to a spot of rain. And as you can see, where the glass roof would be, the water has come in. But where the patio roof is, there is no rain. And no leaking. We can count that as a success.